channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to weekly topics, momentum trade. So opportunities are here coming. Next few slides. These topics are for the next week, and we'll be doing a technical analysis on each of these and try to see how we can make money next week, February 19th, 2023. Remember, these are not stock recommendations, but let's get on. So the first pick for next week is ITC, right? And ITC, it's one of the largest companies in India, and it has been doing pretty well since last 1 or 2 years. And it's in various kinds of business, and primarily it's the largest cigarette manufacturer, but they're cutting down the income revenue flow from the cigarettes and tobacco products. Instead, they have diversified themselves with various FMCG products, hotel business, IT, and agricultural products, and paper business, and all of those, right? You know very well about what ITC is all about, right? Let's get into see the charts. So why do we pick this chart? It's a weekly chart. You can see a beautiful rounding pattern, breakout happen, handle. It's possibly a cup and handle formation as well, but a small handle formation happened, a beautiful retracement, then took support, consolidated at the support zone, the neckline support, and then it went up and down within the parallel channel, and then we had a beautiful mega breakout that happened confirmed, and after that obviously consolidation happened. It pulled back for a week and then moved back up, and then it is currently consolidating for a further up move that is potentially possible to be happening, because look at the volumes, big volumes above the moving average of the volumes, and you can see the bullish momentum has negated the divergence negative, and it's right now it's weekly and daily and monthly all having bullish momentum, and the trend indicator really exists, showing that it's rising up momentum. So that's why we have the ITC as a pick. And where we enter and exit, it's clearly shown in this diagram. Where you see the red, that's the stop loss, and where you see in the top of this we enter and the breakout confirmation, and then we trail further from there, right? So the entry will be 383 with the 1:1.5 risk reward. 435 would be the targets that you look for, and the exit would be 359, right? And you'll have portion size and use instruments like option futures, cash, whatever, depending on the capital size and then risk management techniques, right? Basically, a trail as basic further moves on. And this is a swing trade, which means maximum 1 or 2 weeks, and it doesn't happen, you just have to come out. And ITC, since it is ITC, it can be long-term investment as well, because it's got a pretty good dividend yield as well, right? That's the ITC charts that I say. Beautiful volumes, momentum, trend, price pattern, breakout from rounding pattern, cup and handle pattern formation, breakout, already confirmed, consolidation, break. That's it. Moving ahead, HAL, the next pick, the next weekly stock pick, the swing opportunity trade picks. It could be one. When I say weekly, it could be one. It may not give a signal for 1 or 2 weeks, and it may not, after we entered, it may not break out for 1 or 2 weeks. So swing trade means up to 2 weeks max, right? But ITC is an exception, as I said. It can be pushed as well. HAL, it's a long trade opportunity, and HAL, we know Hindustan Aeronautics. It's one of the largest manufacturers of helicopters and aircrafts, and it's a key part of the Indian defense program as well. You know that, right? Tejas and all. So it's a defense sector stock primarily, with the largest stakeholder, 25% of it owned by the government of India. So why this stock now, right? So this is an ascending wedge. Beautifully, it has taken a support at the bottom of the trend line of the ascending wedge, and it's also consolidating within that. It has been moving up, down, and then it has given a beautiful bounce from that support zone, and seems like it's heading towards the top of the rectangular breakout. And breakout is not confirmed, and entry should be taken only after the confirmation of that. So it may take weeks, or it may happen on the next day, but you have to be patient to wait for next week or the week next to that, but just have to wait for that to happen before you get a breakout. These are momentum trades, and you just have to be patient for the entry. These are not confirmed signals for you to make an entry right away, right? These are opportunities that are seen ahead, right? So if you don't wait, probably you may enter, and then it could reverse and make it down more towards it down. So it's an ascending wedge beautiful volumes because breakout. Always volumes are very important. So only negative part is there is a divergence that is not still not negative. This is the bullish zones, but still there is a resistance of the moving average. There's a divergence of negative nature, right? But otherwise the trend crossover has already happened on the weekly charts. And so the bullish zones DMI positive and then it's rising up. The trend string also is rising up. Risk reward may not be that great. It's 1:1, not that great, but you can trail and then move further up, right? But definitely there is a possibility that another breakout happens from this ascending wedge top, and then from there it can go up, right? So there's a trail opportunity, good volumes, ascending wedge, breakout, box pattern or rectangle consolidation pattern, breakout, and the trend is having good strength, right? So that's why HIL is in the so the entries will be 281 and the stop loss will be 2400, and the targets could be up to 3225 at least with a decent 1:1 restore, and you can trail from there to make it 1:1.5, 1.2 like that, right? So again, the instruments as we cash or features or options will go to risk management techniques and position sizing and capital size and all that. Trail it always. That's a tail. The third and the last is persistent systems and IT stock. IT is doing good. You know what, Nasdaq is up. Even this week also it has been consistently moving up, and persistent system is one of the mid cap stocks. It's the software engineering and providing business strategy services in multiple countries and multiple domains, basically, right? And why with the stock is big? Look at this volumes, crazy volumes. Something is happening. Big buying is happening. Momentum is bullish. Trend is in the bull zones and rising with good, very good strength. But this again, just like other three, it's not a confirmed breakout. The confirmation would come in only at the green part. The entry has been made only upon the neckline resistance, and it's a rounding pattern breakout, and there's very high probability breakout with the huge volumes, rising trend, and the momentum. And if that happens, make the entry and then trail. Same. That's persistent systems. Beautiful volumes and beautiful momentum trend and price pattern at the brim of a breakout. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. And if it happens and it fakes out, it's okay. We always have the stop loss and you can always re-enter. Right? So that's it. So reasons for the trade and entry and stop loss. One is 1.5. 4985 would be the entry and 4512 would be the stop loss, and you can trail up to 570. So rounding patterns are the targets normally would be size of the rounding. The height of the line can be the but that may become positional. That's why we have to go swing short trades and then trail it and then move, trail it and move. Trading could be done in different techniques. I'm not going to explain that now, but you can have it in another video. So that's it. Three stock picks. It's ITC, HAL, and persistent systems for the next weeks. Hope you understood what the trade plan and trade opportunities lie ahead, and accordingly study your trades. And also wait for the weekly stock analysis that's coming out on this Sunday. And also check out the subscription services if you're not aware in the description box. And then if you're not subscribed and watching this, please subscribe and share it to maximum so that we have few more subscribers to keep us motivated doing this. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.